Yeah.
So what makes Retail Daddy different from the other softwares? Like you said, you're situated in Kerala.
Yeah.
So how can people from other states get in touch with you? And I've always heard that your USP is customer service.
Yes,
So
to
very good.
to upload that kind of security in Google Drive, that much complicated basically
Yes.
we face.
Yeah.
We are using the database, Microsoft SQL database.
Okay.
For example, if you give the access for only sale, he can do only sale. He cannot see any other reports and records, nothing. So the customers will be very comfortable basically.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel today. Today we are going to talk about one of the most revolutionized softwares in billing technology, which is Retail Daddy. Before I introduce you to that, let me introduce you to the man behind RAINTECH Softwares. Hello, Mr. Shib.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good. My name is SHIBIN, CEO, RAINTECH Software Limited.
So nice to meet you.
Thank you.
And we are so excited to learn more about this revolutionized software in billing technology.
Of course.
So let's begin with a little introduction from your side.
Sure.
Yes.
Retail Daddy, we are located basically our office in Kerala,
Okay.
in Kottayam district, and we are serving, we are providing software service all over India as well as abroad as well.
Yes.
And we have currently around 57,000 customers all over India plus abroad,
Wow.
and 100 plus employees working under one roof.
Wow.
And we have so many revolutionary technologies in Retail Daddy software.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what makes Retail Daddy different from the other softwares?
Normally, any software in the market, you will get only billing and accounting.
Yes.
But Retail Daddy stands with billing, accounting, and marketing software.
Okay.
See, because today marketing is very important. Even your, for example, your catalog,
Yes.
your automatic catalog generation technology, digital privilege card technology, such kind of ton of technology we implemented with Retail Daddy software.
Okay.
That is the reason any businessman, even they are newcomer or whatever it is, they can run their business properly with proper genuine marketing technology.
Okay.
And we implemented those technology that like the WhatsApp direct engine we connected with the Retail Daddy.
Okay.
So that your personal mobile number also you can just connect through QR code scanner
Okay.
to the Retail Daddy. And you can send bulk messages, even bill, invoice, whatever it is,
Wow.
to customers directly.
That makes life simple.
Yes, of
Yes.
course.
Yes. So, like you said, you're situated in Kerala.
Yeah.
So how can people from other states get in touch with you, and how is it easier for them to use Retail Daddy
Yes.
in different states, even
Yes.
though you're situated here?
First of all, we are thinking that India is one piece of world for us.
Point.
And we are serving all over India.
Yes.
Like it's our like local place, something like that we are feeling.
Yes.
And from all the part of India, people, they will call us. Our contact number, everything is there in social media and websites.
Okay.
And our dedicated people, they are here to help and install the software to their computer via AnyDesk or TeamViewer, such kind of remote desktop connection.
Okay.
And they will give the training.
Okay.
They will how to use the software. And for example, there is some number of products will be there. All those products, our team, they will help to upload in the software via Excel sheet as well.
Okay.
And any hardware is there, like barcode printer, bill printer. Those hardware also, our team is there. They will help you to connect.
Okay.
And why I make this kind of system means, for example, any new person for the software who is using, they need a multiple number of services.
Yes.
So that this kind of online service, it will be very helpful, because while we are using the software in the day-to-day life, when we are using the software in upcoming days, maybe we have some doubts, we have some clarifications. So those time, of course, online services is more capable. And even our one customer care executive, he can give multiple services for different customers.
Okay.
So that and there is supervisors is there, there is a manager is there in after sales. Those people, they can control it very easily. So the customers will be very comfortable basically.
And I've always heard that your USP is customer service.
Yes, of course. Customer service, for example, any business, there is no customer service, that business is going to fail, of course.
Yes.
Even if we make wonderful products or revolutionize a product,
Yes.
the service is very important.
Very important, yes, because people from different walks of life, different
Yes.
age would be using these softwares.
Unless otherwise, no, without customer care service, no one can use it.
Exactly.
Any product.
Exactly. Because
Even car also, bike also, wherever it is.
I think that is the mantra to your success.
Exactly.
Yes? The perfect customer service.
We have only 5 or 6 employees in the sales.
Okay.
Remaining all people are there for customer related things like logistics manager, after sales managers,
Okay.
and after sales installation team, training team, and hardware department, primary department. Such kind of different department we created.
So you have 90 plus people working in customer service.
Customer
only.
service only.
Wow. That is great. That is actually
yes.
very helpful.
And because from 2016 we started software business.
Okay.
From that day itself, our customer is still with us. Because whenever we stop service, they will go for another software or something like that.
Yes.
But we are giving genuine service to our customers so that they are happy. Even for example, some customers, the computer is formatted or computer is damaged. Our people is there. They will connect in again to them and they will install the software.
Okay.
And maybe you will think that where is the data?
Yes.
Of course.
Yes.
We have in Retail Daddy, there is a technology is that Google Drive backup technology is there.
Okay.
For example, you have a Gmail ID
Yes.
and there is a Google Drive is free, 15 GB.
Yes.
To that Gmail ID, our Retail Daddy can connect.
Okay.
Each time when you are log out the Retail Daddy computer from the computer, the database, it will go to your email ID.
Okay.
So your data will be more secure.
Always.
If you are using any third-party server or something, it may not be that much secure.
Okay. Yes.
And for example, your computer is damaged or collapse or fire or whatever it is. We can install the Retail Daddy again software and we can restore that data directly.
Wow.
So that's the reason all your barcode, labels, everything will work as it is.
Yes.
And your accounts, reports, everything you will
Everything will be there.
Everything will be
Yes.
there. That security we have done very clearly.
That is a
to,
very good.
to upload that kind of security in Google Drive, that much complicated basically we face.
Yes.
But I informed my team, my programmers, we need such a security system for my premium customers.
Okay.
Like that.
That is why it's very easy and safe to get Retail Daddy
Yes.
and other softwares, because
Yes.
even if ever, because in today's technological era, there are times when you face some challenges. Your computer collapses, you forgot this here.
Yes.
So every time it's safe and secure. The data is there.
Technology is there, yes.
Okay, you don't have to start from the start again.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, that is really nice. Thank you for doing that.
Yeah.
So now, when we're talking about the system,
Yes.
okay, a question came into my mind.
Yeah.
So, for example, I have a shop where I'm using 4 or 5 cashiers, let's say, or 4 or
Counters.
5 counters. So, how can I use the single software in all these counters?
Yeah. For billing software, first of all, we are using the database, Microsoft SQL database.
Okay.
It's very comfortable database for banking and accounting industry.
Okay.
So that database we are using for Retail Daddy. And the Retail Daddy we can install in main server PC on one PC. And for multiple PCs we can do sharing. Like there is an option is there, sharing.
Okay.
So all the PCs will work, we can work on at the same time. All the data will save to the server PC.
Okay.
There is a database is there. And as I told you before, server PC, there is a data security system is also there. Like Google backup technology also is there. So your data and your transactions, everything will be more and more secure.
It'll be accurate without hangups.
Without hangs. And one more thing is that the admin, he have a lot of access is there. For example, accounts reports, purchase reports, everything. But the salesman don't want to use all these things. So that thing we controlled in Retail Daddy software. There is a control panel is there for each person. For example, each salesman or whatever it is there, counter person. We can give access permissions. For example, if you give the access for only sale, he can do only sale. He cannot see any other reports and records, nothing.
Okay. So
Your purchase price,
yes.
everything will be hidden.
Confidential.
That's
really good. Okay.
And there is some more advanced features we have done. For example, discount options. For example, previous date bill options and some price changing options.
Okay.
Such kind of options also you can do control in Retail Daddy
From the admin system.
from the admin system.
Okay.
It is completely secure manner you can use Retail Daddy. That's the main thing.
And you can use it, tailor make it to your own requirements, right?
Exactly.
Okay, that's really
For
good.
example, your purchase manager is there.
Yes.
He can do only purchase.
Yes.
Purchase manager will create the tag, labels, everything for their products, and he'll fix it in each product, and he will
Yes.
keep it in the shelf like that. So he cannot do a sales.
Okay.
And each salesperson, how much he sold, what is his balance, everything. There is a proper reporting system is there.
Okay.
So when he is signing out evening time, he will get proper reports, how much cash he collected from that counter. We have both options is there, like a counter wise report and cashier wise report.
Okay. So that means the whole everyday report is also there.
Of course there.
This makes very easy.
Yes, because everyday closing is very important.
Yes.
How much money he collected.
Definitely. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.